all over your hair because you want a smooth and flawless install. You don't want any fly out to be sticking out or sticking under your install. You apply that all over your hair and also brush it with your hot comb. Make sure that everything is pushed to the back, like I said, with a concealer that is lighter than your actual skin tone, and just map out the areas where you want the glue to end. This is going to help you or prevent you from applying glue all over your head and all over your lace and mess up your lace. Okay, this is going to provide as a guide. So I use Eben spray. You can use any spray of your choice. This is the method in which I like to apply my spray. This is basically what works for me, but you can do whatever you want. Okay, and I just apply that everywhere. I make sure that apply good amount of it, and I also let it cool on the cool setting. I don't like using blow dryers because it tends to like melt the glue very fast, so I just let it cool on the cool settings. Then you want to apply another layer of the glue because you want your wigs to last longer. There are times that my wig lasts for like a week or a week and a half, but also the days that I don't even want to stay with the hair anymore. I just want a different style or a different look, so I just kind of take it off. But depending on how you apply the glue, your hair is gonna last for as however you want it to last. Okay, so after applying the glue, you want to press the lace into your skin and also go in with the rat comb and just make sure that you're sweeping the hair to the back and also pressing it with your hands to make sure that the lace is laid flat and there are no bumpy roads or fly out sticking on the glue. Just keep pressing and sweeping with your comb and just press. Then you want to cut the lace into 3 parts. The reason for cutting the lace into 3 parts is to make the process of cutting your lace easy. If you do not cut your lace into 3 parts, you're gonna struggle when cutting your lace, so you have to do this process and try to cut within the lines, because I kind of like made a mistake when cutting my own lace on the left side of my ear part. I think you see at the end of the video. So try to stick to the lines that we created or you're gonna create with your concealer. And after that, also try to apply more glue. Like I said, you want the hair to last for like a week, so the more glue you apply, the more seamless or the more your wig is gonna last. Okay, so go in now and just cut the lace, and when you're cutting, do not cut in a straight line. Try to form like a zigzag method. And if you have like there's this zigzag or lace scissors on Amazon, you can also get that as well. It already has like these zigzag patterns that is gonna help you to cut your lace well. I still have to buy it myself, and if you cannot find that, you can also use any scissors of your choice and just cut, and just be careful. So after cutting, you still go in again with your glue and just apply that on any areas that may be still lifting that you did not cut well, because you want to make sure that everything is laid flat and the lace is not lifting in any areas of your head. So you want to make sure that everything is laid flat, like I said. And then you're going with your band, your melting band. I like to use a sock, so you just apply that and let it set for an hour. It can set a band for an hour. And your install should look like this. This is a finished look, and please let me know in the comments what you guys think about my install method, and also if you guys will be trying any of my tips and tricks or any of my methods. And thank you guys so much for watching up to this point. Thanks for the support. I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye.